Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. There's been some exciting news going around about Cardano, and trust us, you're not going to want to miss out on this train. Not when it's rumored that Cardano could hit a $100 mark within just a couple of months' time. We're going to be talking about how Cardano is slowly replacing popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, and becoming the future of finance. Cardano only has been getting bigger and better, and the last couple of months have shown that we are at the peak of its success. Interested in hopping in on this crypto trend too, and earning some major profits? If you are, you better stick around until the end of the video so that you can earn when Cardano hits that $100 mark. In the early morning of July 2nd, Grayscale blasted an announcement on Twitter welcoming Cardano and its native token ADA into its portfolio. The company's exact wording was, "Welcome aboard, Cardano. We have adjusted the portfolio of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund to now include ADA." This announcement had come out of nowhere and was received with a welcomed surprise. According to an article by Bloomberg, smaller firms like Bitwise were expected to add ADA to their portfolios before firms like Grayscale that deal with bigger investors and large sums of money. Following the news, the asset management firm's recent move prompted the price of Cardano to rise by at least 1.09%. In addition, behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, the cryptocurrency has risen to third place in the funds. Given Grayscale's status as a licensed and trustworthy digital asset management company, it's certain that ADA will acquire traction in the crypto market. We know that Grayscale has been preparing to add Cardano into its portfolio for a while now, when it had announced it was looking into DeFi investment opportunities earlier this year. And we all know that Cardano lately has been the king of DeFi, knocking even Ethereum off of its high post. Now, many of you might be unfamiliar with Grayscale, or even what the purpose of its digital large cap fund is for. Grayscale is an investment firm mainly dealing in the sector of cryptocurrencies. They've got various funds for a range of different crypto coins, and several funds that are even available for purchase over the counter, meaning that they're available for purchase in the traditional stock market or online brokerage websites. Digital Large Cap Fund is the very first cryptocurrency mutual fund in the open markets that only deals with cryptocurrencies. It consists of no traditional stocks, no government bonds, or any other commodities like gold or cash. At the time of making this video, the fund manages more than $500 million in assets and has already got a steady and continuous increase of 361% over the last 12 months. The fund is designed similar to other mutual funds, where it ultimately takes the money provided by its clients and places it in shares for a plethora of different crypto coins. What exactly does this mean? Well, if you visit Grayscale's official website, you're not only going to get a view of its performance over time, along with its price for each share, but you're also going to see a section known as Fund Components per Share. At the moment, Grayscale's fund components pretty much follow that of the crypto market cap, with Bitcoin holding the largest percentage of the share at 65.8%, followed by Ethereum at 25.8%, and Cardano ADA at nearly 6%. This simply means that should you invest in a single share of Cardano, you're going to have access to small portions of each coin. Cardano has started off at a great percentage of 4% at the start of July, but Grayscale ultimately increased the percentage of ADA tokens to 6% after selling off the majority of its XRP and Dogecoin, due to the SEC lawsuit the cryptocurrency companies were facing. In the complete published article by Grayscale, Edmund McGee, the vice president of finance, said that the goal of this coin selling and purchasing was to ensure that their diversified digital large cap fund can safely hold assets that collectively comprise 70% of the entire digital asset market. McGee also went on to say that digital currencies represent a unique opportunity for investors to diversify their portfolios, and at Grayscale, we are proud to provide our investors with access to leading digital currencies through regulated, familiar product offerings. So what exactly does this mean for Cardano? The addition of ADA to Grayscale's digital large cap fund benefits mainly Americans, as now you guys can invest in Cardano using your retirement account or your 401k or ROTH IRA. Based on the calculation, Grayscale at the moment owns around $30 million worth of ADA tokens. This is approximately 11 million ADA tokens. That's right, folks. Grayscale has invested into 11 million ADA tokens in their digital large cap fund. As astonishing as the number may sound, do try to remember that Grayscale is one of the big league players in the crypto industries at the moment, and their digital large cap fund is the smallest fund to date. But their Bitcoin Trust Fund and Ethereum Trust holds billions of dollars worth of assets. Going straight to 4% worth of ADA tokens, and increasing it to 6% within just 2 months, shows a big vote of confidence from Grayscale. Grayscale represents the first step of institutional investment towards ADA. This means that the addition of Cardano to Grayscale's portfolio will likely encourage more traditional financial institutions to invest in Cardano. This could become a reality as we advance more and more towards Cardano's smart contracts features. As all of you may already be aware, that Cardano is soon going to be ending the last phase of the Alonzo cycle. The release date for the smart contracts feature on its network has been approximated to be around the middle of September, but this has yet to be confirmed. As Cardano gears up towards its most killer feature, more and more investors have begun buying up to the ADA token in order to reap as many benefits as possible. Cardano has been on a phenomenal rise for the last few days, with its latest value being at $2.84. This means that not only has Cardano broken its all-time high, it's also set a precedent for being the fastest rising coin in the history of cryptocurrencies. Grayscale's ultimate goal has always been about making more money for their clients. They are all after a bit of the business. Hence, investing a significant portion of their funds into Cardano not only shows that the company is willing to take risks and trust in Cardano's new and upcoming technology, it also shows that they are extremely confident that their investment will bring them loads of profits. That's right, folks. Grayscale has financial experts from all over the world, and the company's confidence in ADA's price increasing is equivalent to several financial experts' confidence in Cardano and its price. In our opinion, Grayscale adding Cardano to its portfolio is similar to placing nitrogen turbo boosters on ADA's token price. If the value coin continues to increase at the rate that it is, then we could very well see ADA coins worth hundreds of dollars before the end of 2030. According to the most recent projections made by many financial gurus and authors, Cardano's analysis appears to be very excellent. Cardano may achieve $10 by the end of the year and $15 by the end of 2022, thanks to its rapid deployment that the coin has already risen 187% just over the past 30 days. After 5 years, Cardano may be worth $50 per token by the end of 2026 and close to $500 by the end of the decade. With crypto traders and investors searching for guidance, the CEO of financial advice firm Diver has predicted that Ethereum could continue to outperform Bitcoin this year, and has set a September price goal of $3 for Cardano's ADA token, up 16% from its current price. The breakout line of the momentum reversal indicator, MRI, which corresponds to the middle border of the technical pattern, is the next hurdle for ADA at $2.96. If Cardano fails to hold above the aforementioned lines of defense, more support will be found at the MRI's $2.41 support line. The trusted status of currencies is earned not just by institutional investors, but also by ordinary investors. In the case of ADA, the asset appears to be performing well on this front as well, as seen by the announcement that the asset has been accepted for listing on Japanese crypto exchange platforms despite all odds. This is a significant piece of news, since Japan is one of the most stringent listing standards in the world. While ADA's active addresses increased by 417.81% between January 1st and April 28th, the increase was accompanied by an increase in the number of transactions per day. With this in mind, it's no wonder that Cardano has begun to follow in the footsteps of the two cryptocurrencies, BTC and ETH. Indeed, such factors together with Cardano's strong roadmap help to show that the cryptocurrency's long-term development and rallies by demonstrating Cardano's use in terms of transactions, as well as a comparably safer store of wealth. And that's all the time we've got for you today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, remember that this in no way counts as financial advice. If you want to gain more foresight into ADA and Cardano, seek your nearest financial expert and do your own research as well. Thank you for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.